Okay, today's project is gonna be sloping this dirt on the back side of this fence. I mean, it's gonna be rough, but we're gonna make it happen. See, what they did was they filled in about 18 loads of dirt they brought in, but they just pushed it over the edge, didn't pack it, so it started eroding. Got a bunch of runoff holes and stuff that got in it, so it need to be packed, sloped down, do a 2-to-1 slope or something like that on it, fill in all these gaps, and just make it right, that's all. See all the holes and stuff where that water just done towed through that dirt, But I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna fix it. I'm trying to tell you, I'm gonna fix it. Customer gonna be real happy when I finish with it. Then when I finish, I'm gonna have them to seed it. Put some grass and some pine straw on it.
Hey, he about got me today,
see,
boy.
there you go. That's the finished product. But I tell you, that thing was rough, man. That thing had me sliding all down the hill sideways.
Packed it real good.
For a minute, I thought I was gonna turn over, but it worked out. It worked out, so
Packing a ride.
that's the finished product. It's finished.
Slick.
I rolled on it, packed it in real good. So it's gonna be alright right now. It's gonna be alright.